Four Bros Filming, and today we are going to unbox an LG flagship model microwave. It's got a smart inverter and has an antibacterial wipe system as an easy clean way so that you can maintain your microwave in a really nice way without ruining it. It has touch control, it has an LED lamp inside, has a smart inverter. So it's with many of LG's newest products, including their fridges, their microwaves, their stubs, and their washing machines, they've got a special kind of motor which is kind of magnet, and it's really efficient. And on most of their giant products, and I wouldn't be surprised if it was advertised on this one too, that the smart inverter can last around 10 years. So as you can see quite right here, it's stainless steel, which is pretty good if your little brother decides to cook egg in it and it explodes because he put it for like 6 minutes. So as I was saying, it does clearly have a 10-year warranty, as you can see right there.
Let's still open it up and see what's inside. Go check what's inside. Holy cow! There's a lot of stuff in here. I wonder what's.
Let's go see what's inside. Okay, so there's a couple manuals. Safety, everybody. Oh yeah, and like I said, there was the 10-year warranty, so here are the warranty packets. And there's a rather well-shaped turntable. Okay, it's a tiny lock. Okay.
This is a glass.
And then there is the quite weirdly shaped the turntable supporting axle.
No.
So we put inside. See, it's very nicely made. It's stainless steel. So no wonder it's called a flagship. It's a flagship of the LG line. And one special thing that I've also seen in many of their products, including stoves, refrigerators, and washing machines, as you can see over here, there's a smart diagnostic feature so that you can use your phone to diagnose such a problem. It's through the LG Home. It's through the LG Home appliance app. You should get that. I believe they're only available on Android, but I could be mistaken. It could be available as Apple as well. Okay, and so as you can see, it's a very nice looking microwave. It's very prestige, like, and it has the nice LED light inside. Pretty much the LED right here. It's a very good looking LED. So these are our controls. Right now it's in the time set mode. So there's sensor cook, sensor reheat, popcorn, defrost, power level, cook time, wait, clear, enter. And on the outside for the cook time and wait, it just has these simple controls and stop and start. So that's pretty much it. And there's the child lock. Never forget the child lock. So this wraps up our review of this wonderful top-of-the-line LG flagship smart inverter microwave. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.